editing 24/7. So in this video, I am going to show you how to change width and height in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. In order to change the width and height, you have to go to this option of resize at the top left corner. Just tap in there and hit that resize option. And you have to go to all the way to this customize size, and here comes the width and height. Simply change it according to your preference. Okay, let's do 180 by 180. And you can also choose whether you want a square, portrait, or landscape. So apparently I do not have the Canva Pro version. You need a Canva Pro for that. I'm hoping you have one. So the process is same. This is how you can customize your width and height, and simply tap in here. And right now, since I do not have Canva Pro, but here comes the option of like get, and you can simply tap in that option and you can change your width and height like that. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.